Hi guys! Today is Monday and kakatapos na ng online class namin. Tapos maglilinis kami ng bahay ngayon kasi ang kalat be. Hey guys, we just finished cleaning the house. It's actually not so clean kasi kami lang naman naglinis be. Wala nang tulong ng iba. So, hindi ko napapakita sa inyo anong itsura ng bahay ngayon. Pero we're done cleaning up.
All for you, Charlie Brown. Really
Japanese
Ay!
people na kami
Akala
guys.
ko Japanese. Akala ko...
Lang kayo. Yun na nawala yung ano nyo.
Ang Diyos ko na again. Zoe, are you sick?
No, I'm 7. I miss you.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Subscribe.
Bye-bye, vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog. Like and subscribe.
Dalawa. Diba? Pababa.
Ay, sporty, no? Ay, ito sa akin.
Arga.
Why?
You have pimples. Who do that?
You.
That's my water.
Silly Zoe.
See. Let me present.
Zoe.
Mm.
Silly Zoe.
Diba nangako ka?
Pat. Oops.
And please inform me ahead of time para...
Which is the greatest error.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Kanta ko dito. Ako po si Sarah De Leon. Pwede po ba ako makahingi?
Hindi, 150 ya unta. Mom, init! Body.
Lumasal. I'm the body.
Nagbili ka talaga.
yung wristband po nila.
Gusto ko sa kinin ko.
Ang baho! Ay, ako yan! Ang baho!
Higa kayo sa UAE.
O, sino pa?
Guys, it's already 5:14 in the afternoon and nandito pa rin kami sa J Castle kasi we're supposed to leave at 4:30 p.m. pero nanood kasi ewan ko. Bakit pa rin kami? Bye. Guys, good morning. Today we're going to church with the fam. So, stay tuned later kung gagala ba kami or uwi agad kami. Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome to vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Bye-bye vlog. Bye-bye vlog.
They should have pink here. Ang arte mo, nakakainis ka.
So, ngayong araw, wala kaming ginagawa. It's Sunday and it's our laba day. Pero nagpa-laundry si mami. Kaya konti na lang lalaban namin.
Yeah. Nalabahan niya.
Tapos yan, bye! Guys, magmamang inasal kami ngayon. 6, 7. 17:38. Guys, this is me, Tristan, and this is my outro for this vlog. I just want to thank you guys for watching this vlog, and see you on our next vlog. Bye!